Getting over a little bit of a cold here. Trying to anyway. It's about 9:45. Looking at the NQ, and kind of wondering if we bottomed out here. We've got a double bottom here. Obviously, we have this support area right here. Just go ahead and draw this. Now we got another double bottom. We're just building a case, right? We're trying to figure out what's going on. Now, what's concerning here is
NQ trade alert.
You know, we had this beautiful sell-off in the overnight session.
NQ trade alert.
We stayed below the trend line. Now we just got back above the trend line, so we got a double bottom here, double bottom here.
NQ trade alert.
I'm not sure if this is, you know, this is going to head up here. So let's go ahead and let's draw a box around this resistance area up here. Okay, look at this.
NQ trade alert.
This low was not able to break below this double bottom here, right? So we got a double bottom here, double bottom here.
NQ trade alert.
I would be looking for this to break this level. Then we need to break this level, and then we can look for some longs. So let's just see how this pans out. Well, I'd be interested in seeing if this prints stair-stepping now. Guess it depends how low this comes. We have to consider the fact that, yes, we did get above the yellow trend line here, but we're back down below it here, and so far we're staying below it here.
NQ trade alert. NQ, sell signal 3.
Order submitted. Order filled.
It's too low. Damn
Target filled.
Wow. Wow. Well, you just saw a mechanical error there, guys. Wow, that was quick. You can see my entry here. My entry should have been up here. Basically what I saw was this right here. When we broke this, and we got a red signal. Jeez.
Stop filled.
Wow. Okay.
NQ trade alert.
Jeez. Let me go back and mark my trade first, okay? Man, that was crazy. Pretty sure that was 56. 89.75, and this one got out at 75.75.
NQ trade alert.
Yeah, 56. Okay, so 56 plus 52 plus 26. Nice. 100 and wow, that is crazy. 134
NQ trade
ticks
alert.
times $5 a tick.
NQ, sell signal 2.
Is $670. Nice, nice. Okay, so boy, that happened really fast. What I was trying to explain was the reason I went ahead and jumped in on this red signal was because of this right here. When we broke this level
NQ
here,
trade alert.
and I already saw that we had basically 3
NQ trade
resistance
alert.
lines printed. So we have stair stepping, but really because we had these 2 yellow signals, that's why I was starting to kind of shift my thinking. So we identified this resistance up here, and like I said, look at the clues, okay? So I had some concern here. I really wasn't planning on taking any of this until we started to break through here, but that just happened. Wow, man, that was quick.
NQ trade alert.
So try and learn from this, practice. Guys, I do the same thing
NQ, sell signal
every
1.
day. Look for my resistance, look for my support, look for a breakout, and take the next signal. Okay? So if you have any questions, send me an email. If you want, head on over to RenkoKings.com and check us out. There's some more videos on there that you can watch. And I've got plenty of videos
NQ trade alert.
demonstrating the system here on YouTube. Okay? Thanks for watching. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.